Hello. Photo. Family photo. I have you to take photo. Family photo. Family photo. So why I had to take you to see here first? Because Vietnam is the 54 ethnic groups, but luckily we keep the traditional of them very well. Even that right now we're developing the country, but luckily it's not really affect to the ethnic people. So from that we're gonna try to figure out about each of them. But each of them is having a very different mind about religion or worship or belief in nature. Because the mainly of them is belief in everything is having show, even a leaf. So that's why I'm gonna try to help you to figure out about their lifestyle, their living style, and also their religious style. But mostly it is a very local religion. This one is high about 13 meters. So this one is at the top, but the bottom of them is the back. So with 54 ethnic group people, so we're gonna help you to figure out about where they're coming from and how they go to Vietnam and making a big Vietnam like right now. So as you see over there, hello, many way of hello in different language. But let's start with Thai dialect here. Very small question. How many ethnic groups in Parliament? So you just
Only
one?
two.
Two? Oh, true. Because with what I hear is you have a little bit Japanese in that, right?
Yeah,
But not
the
so much.
ethnic group is only two. The
Ah.
Southwest Islanders
I
and
see.
the mainland.
I see. But let's take a look from here. Mostly you're gonna see a woman. So, because at Vietnam, even for a very, very long time ago, because Vietnam is a nation that started from 3000 BC. 3000 BC, and from that time we already a maternity country, which we put mother, mom, or wife is actually important than man or husband. So that's why mostly alright there. The picture gonna stand for the ethnic group is follow the maternity style or paternity style. So if the man, that ethnic group they follow for paternity style. But if woman they follow to maternity style. So but with 54 ethnic groups we divide them into 5 based on where they coming from. So with the very first one you have here, Austronesian. So the Nasian, which means they come from the sea, and that sea is very next to us. That is Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines. So maybe we are a little bit related here. I believe you the way very related with Austronesian. So that's for the first group. What about 5 ethnic groups? So we go next to the Thai Kadai. So the Thai alright there. They coming from the west part of Vietnam. That is Thailand, Laos, and North Cambodia, and also Myanmar. But you're gonna see the way of looking is a little bit different with the local people in Thai, Myanmar, because of the skin. Because mostly they coming to Vietnam at the 12th century. And when they come to Vietnam, our king is not allowed they go to the flat area. So our king want them to stay in the border area. But border area mostly mountain. So when they go to the mountain, it's making their look became different. So we go next. We go next with the main or the majority of the Vietnamese. So this is offshore Asian thing, which means we already here or we follow the river to get into Vietnam. So you have over the look here, black teeth. Yeah. And alright, there is the majority of the Viet. We go. Let the other group to see together. And we go to the newest ethnic groups in Vietnam. That is the Miao. Miao. So I'm gonna call them as cat people. Miao. Miao. That is the cat people. We have them very recently. We have them at 18th century. It's based on China. So the group of people, three of them regrouped together, is now having about more than 1 million in Vietnam. But they having about 3 million in China. We have them because during 18th century, it have a game of thrones between the Ming Dynasty and the Tang Dynasty. But the leader of them is support for the loser side. So when they losing, they run to Vietnam. So that's why we have them very recently in the 18th century. Miao, Yao, or cat people. And we have the last group, alright there. And this group, you're gonna see here, Sino-Tibetans. Tibetan, which means they're coming from Tibet. Because many rivers in Vietnam is start from Tibet, especially from Mekong River. So that's why they just follow the river. When they cannot pass the river, they follow the river. Because up there it's very cold. So that's why they follow the river to have the better weather to plant. So that's why the Sino-Tibetan is follow the river to get to Vietnam. So here is a new group. Here is the original group. The last, the two group right there is coming from the outside, and this group is also coming from outside. So to help you to understand easier, let's see the map. And you're gonna see the quick color. Show you where they actually coming from. So with the first group, I telling you with about 5 ethnic groups that coming from Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines. They living in this area. Yeah. So when you go here, you're gonna feel similar because even the worship style is follow for the original Indonesia style. So maybe it's kind of nearby. Even the housing. So, but the green color is mainly concentrated for the majority of the Vietnamese, which means offshore Asian. And also the different area, like right there, is the mountain area. That is where the Thai, Kadai people living. Yeah. So right now we're gonna go into detail by seeing this way. So with the very first one we're about to see here is the majority of the Vietnamese. So that is the Viet. So here is the majority of the Vietnamese. That is the Viet. So they have about 86% of the population. And nowadays our population in the long Vietnam is about 99 million. Can I send some Vietnamese to Palau? We have so many. And later you're gonna see the map. So the map gonna show you where they actually living. Because the Vietnamese are the king people. King with the H at the end, not king with the crown. Yeah, king. This king in the old Vietnamese letter, which means the South. The South Vietnamese. So where is the North Vietnamese, the original North Vietnamese? Now it belongs to China. So sad. But never mind. So because the Vietnamese is mainly follow for agriculture. So that's why they normally living follow for the river and they normally living at flat area. So as you see here in some forested. And this one is the box that we keep beetle. That's the thing you chewing. Yeah. Here's the box. And if I want to marry a girl, I'm gonna ask my parents to bring this box to the girl parents, asking, can we marry? So, my ladies, so we go to the Viet area. So at here, we're gonna show you about what job that Vietnamese we use for living. So, but mostly just try to understand that we normally count the time at the 10th century. Because at the 10th century, we finally done with the Chinese people. So what the very first job that the Vietnamese we normally follow is painting. But that painting is related with carving. But let's see the step. So the step is start from here. Yeah. So with the paper all right there. So you see the color. So they use the color, they carving and then they made it into color and then they put down. So with the red color you have the first step. And then with the green color you also making another carving and then you putting down. So you have a second step all right there. With the next step you having the baby color all right there and also put it down with the white color. And the next one is this one is almost complete. So you have the fish carving all right there with the yellow color and then you put it down so it's almost complete. But now to make all the color go together you use the last one. With the last one is have the black ink and with the black ink you put it down and you having the whole picture. But painting but related with carving. And then the next job is lacquer. So lacquer is very popular in Vietnam at the 6th century BC. 6th century BC because we use lacquer to protect wooden. You're gonna say it's kind of simple, but later as outside of this museum, the museum is also have a lacquer workshop. So later we visit to see how they making for lacquer. So with the next job, this one is still very popular in Vietnam. That is carving. Yeah, you see very detailed, right? Let's get closer. You see the whole shape, and you see the people in here. Yeah, very detailed, right? And because we are next to China, so that's why what the next shop is ceramic. Yeah, we next to China, so very similar about the style. And here is the oldest shop in Vietnam that is making bronze. Because you mainly gonna using some stuff of bronze in plant, right? Bronze and then iron. Yeah. And we see here is the religions of the Vietnamese. We not really follow for Buddhism, not really follow for Catholic, not really follow for Muslim as well. So the main religions of the Vietnamese is mother religious or ancestor religious. So that's why we not really decorating anything. We just using like one nameplate of our mother or the ancestor to decorate it here. So very simple. So we go next.
What is this?
Fish chop. Here is the fish chop. Because when we have a lot of the rice, when you're done with the rice harvest, you still have the rice body. So that's why we use the rice body to making this one. Very nice, right?
Yeah, I saw this in Primitive Living.
And the rice body is also used to making rice hat or leaf hat. Yeah.
So it's still plastic.
It's mother religious. So, but how can you spot? How can you spot the difference of them? Let's see about the earring. So one have green, one have red one, and the other one is have the white one. So the green one, because with the beginning religious or base religious of people is very based on the purpose of your worship. So very easy to thinking. The green one is stand for season, but the red one is stand for born, because we follow maternity. Let's imagine in agriculture style, the bigger of the family, which means the more worker you have, right? But mom gonna be the one who decide to have baby or not. So which making mom is important than father. So that is became wife. And the last one, the wise one. The wise one she stand for creativity. Creativity. Yeah. But so that's why you normally see we have the green custom to worship for season. Let's take a picture from here. Let's see the picture from here. But having one problem. So men, how can men practice mom religious? That's right, right? So normally we believe that the people with homosexual is have two souls in their body. So one woman soul and one man soul in just one body. So which making them connect very well with the cloud nine. So that's why normally men gonna become the shaman. Yeah, here is man and another man. No, this is a woman. Here is man. You can see in the other picture. This is man. Man is practice for mother. So that's why the Vietnamese of the Thailand or the most of the Southeast Asia, we are kind of open for homosexual people, because we believe that they have two souls in one body. And because they have two souls in one body, which means they can produce very well with music or art. So that's why even in the past, if you follow for music instrument, which means normally you have two souls in the body. So from that you perform art very well. Very open idea, right? So we go next. So we done with the Viet. So now we about to see a different people. So they are the most related with the Vietnamese.
You can see some relocation.
Yeah. With the map alright there, you can see where they actually living in Vietnam. So after the Viet, they have the 50%, right? Just after the Viet, which means they are very related with us. But it's
One of the most crowded minorities.
so the legend of the Vietnamese is about having one mother, have about 100 children. So, but they decide to separate. So 50 stay on the mountain and the other 50 go to the sea. So they are the 50 go to the mountain and the 50 go to the sea. That is the Vietnamese. So they are the 50 stay on the mountain. So let's go deeper inside. That is about the religion, about the believing. So you see alright there, they are holding a funeral, but a very colorful funeral. So in here, they normally wear full white to do for a funeral. So and the stuff alright there is white, rice white. The idea of them to celebrate for the funeral is because they believe life here is just a temporary life. So after you gone, you're gonna go to eternity life. So that's why they have to happy because they done with the temporary life. So from that they decorating very colorful to show that we happy. So for you to go to the cloud nine. So that's only. So that's why very colorful. But with these people, they very famous with the shoe. So we go to the other side, and then they're gonna make a little bit stuff already because they living in the middle land, and luckily in the middle land is have a very nice weather for cotton tree and silkworm. So that's why you're gonna see that the Hmong people is very colorful because they available to making all the color. Yeah, so alright.
And got some stuff. Later on, when they bury, they put the
Very available to make a colorful, and the silk very soft. Yeah.
and the
The other side right there is the kitchen.
representative of the children follow the day. That is the shaman, the worshiping man, take care of the ceremony. So just one thing, you can see all the relatives, we wear the white ribbon. The relative.
If you living in the national park area, the most dangerous animal is not tiger, is not leopard, it's actually white elephant. Because white elephant they living as a party together, and you know when they hungry, they eat everything. They go to the village and destroy everything. So that's why the ED people had to have home pro elephant. So the home pro elephant gonna help them to stand against the white elephant. Yeah, you can see already. And luckily, if you know about using elephant in tourism in Thailand, it's very bad. The elephant is always being hit. But we don't use elephant for tourism in Vietnam. No. So mostly they use them in land. And especially for the ED people, they believe everything having a soul. Yeah. So, and here is mostly gonna show you about Khmer people. So they belong to Champa Kingdom. And nowadays Champa Kingdom is Cambodia. Yeah. If you visit Cambodia, they're gonna show you a little bit aggressive about the Vietnamese because they think the Vietnamese is the people who invade their land, so that's why they don't like. Because at the beginning, Vietnam, you see Vietnam as a long country, right? But we only the north. The Vietnam at the beginning is only the north of Vietnam. So later we cannot attack to China to open our land. So that's why we decide to go to the south. Yeah, so that's why, but the south is belong to Champa. So that's why the way we more invade. So it's making a long Vietnam nowadays. So be careful with Cambodian. So that's why you see mostly of them the way they dress. So if they dress like this, I'm gonna call them as red Miao people. But if they wear like that, I'm gonna call them as black Miao people. But if you see mix, alright there, you're gonna call them black red Miao people. Yeah. So very different way. They prefer the village culture more than the big culture. People. So the Thai people, they coming from the North Thailand. So the Thai people, like I did telling you, they coming to Vietnam at the 12th century. So during that time, it's not Thai, it's not Thailand like nowadays. During that time, Thailand, they call themselves the North Thailand as Lana Kingdom. And Lana Kingdom, to translate into the old Vietnamese letter, it became Thai people. But because they losing to the South Thai, so that's making them had to run away. And when they run away, they ask the Vietnam king to stay in here. But the Vietnam king don't want them, all of them, concentrate at a big group, because the Vietnam king is also want to maintain the power. So if you allow a new people to come in, what happened, right? So that's why the king, the Vietnam king, have two conditions for them if they want to stay in Vietnam. The first, that is they have to stay in the mountain. And the second one, that is they have to separate and watch the border of Vietnam and Laos. So that's why it's making their culture became like different way, very different with the Vietnamese. So all right there, or you can see here, that is Lâu Than. That is their traditional style of Lâu Than. If you go to Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai of Thailand, you'll see the same. So they are asking to the mother, goddess mother. That is of them, not really related with our mother goddess down here. They're asking for their mother goddess to wash their back or wash after the family whenever they go around. So that's why they're having this style. Yeah, you see. So now we visit the house. House. 80 people house. Because their house they living in the national park area. And national park is having so many wild animals. So that's why they have to make the very big house to scare the animal not coming closer. But at the first floor, from the ground to the floor, it's about 3 meter high. Because at the first floor, they racing and they grow elephant, home grow elephant. No, I mean grow, not coming from the food elephant. That is why they have baby elephant. Because with the people to living in this area, they very scared of white elephants. Because white elephant very big and they go together to eat when they hungry. So that's why they having that house to scare the elephant to run away. The same people, but different house style is here. So this one is about 30 meter long. 30 meter long. It's also the ED people, but because they not living in the national park area, they living in a valley. So when you living in a valley, you will need space to store for the goods, especially for rice and corn. So that's why they make a long house like this to store corns.
The roof is made of rice.
Yeah, rice body or corn's body. But they separate it into small.
Okay, Aida, sit there. Sit.
Face. You sit, both of you. And face here. You sit. There you go. Good.
So they already making the connect way between the restaurant and the shop area. So after you have your lunch is done with Happy Belly, you can go around this area. Okay, ladies. Go to the restaurant. Yeah.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Hello. Hello. Where? Where? Very nice and they're not so
Madam, toilet door over there. Here.
Ito yung bakal kang harap mo ko ah. Usap ko agad.
Ano
Ay,
yung
lagi
mga
na. Siya singa doon ka. Di alin ako.
Siya sinabi maklo eh. Siya sinabi mo yung maklo. Kala mo rasum. Kala rasum manin. Ay, kang cook marap. Ang yun.
Here. Here.
For you vegetable.
Spring rolls with vegetable and chicken.
You are the one to
No, I asked for fresh,
Ngayon na fried.
fresh spring rolls.
It's okay. Yes. Next one.
you the
I like fresh.
Marian mixer niya katabilat. Yung kurot na rin yan.
Peanut butter. Hindi ka peanut butter. Peanut sauce.
Oo. Mura.
Hindi ako kuha.
Kailangan simurugin nila. Kung makikita rin nila kailaw.
Peanut sauce.
Pwede mas ang halangal. Yan, kaya lang. Hindi ka susuti ako po.
Ya. Ako raga ito di rutan mereka mesti sila. Betul din. Malu.
My food, they said it's a grilled coconut chicken, but this one doesn't look have any coconut inside. It tastes no good and smell no good. I don't know what happened with this.
We like we like allowance to see that we have.
Yar kim ngaringil basyot, yar di la lumura. Tirgal suut, tirgal do tikut. May gat klalo nga arsel di morera tulongalel. Aklok tirgal suut, tirgal itutul atat jal blura Vietnam. Oh Hanoi Vietnam. Vietnam. Malungil akal, mabdi la lumura, malungil. Kamu mesut jang senang tirgal itutul suut. At may karokun nga pati kadrak po nga tayo kita lori. Manmatik. Kakita tapirgal suotun manmitu umrula maras ma. Oh, targil ko rak tuki maran bora. Abapir. Dia kita hotel lagi kalau dari tirkan ngat lagi suut lah mari ngala imorir ma kita ada belau padahal liap lain borngi tirkai kita ada lalu lagi karo ku ya kita beli lap lumul gin mul nakali lu malu ngira kalau dari tirkan smell tetula setta suut kita ada belak kita suut malu ngira aureri tirkai kita ngat mal betok. Kita imong almarula maras kita imong maras mal matu kita kanila kibulan at nila nah. Ngalulil ko mo mes, kakita mal beras, may kal. Ako ra. Tapi ya. Oh. Tidak kal maras merulai kal papieran mo minyak picture ito la pal mo frame me ara go para bili thank you del black in one ya bili kita itu yak malungil siobar kita agar bela mokut makri all to kasmer mustore ko tom arak blok clear Ay malpuy. You can draw it up. Ay malpuy, literally yakit lang. Picture, ra alba ako siyasim, ra alba palaw. Little picture, ra alba ako.
Wait for me.
You tell them rabot, lena rambotang, and tangerine, and everything. And amuti, tial merura rambotang nga. Kami sa tial Marcos.
Eh, kaya rin ito kita other day, nang kuha ka rin yung big green, may yung para.
Mandiopop. Maway, no? Every one. Rabot na lang. Darabot na Taiwan, Hanoi, Marcos, Malungil. Ay ka muti. Ay ka otro ramakit la muti. Rodo del malimis lungil aziringi. Agi mo merula makit terkama marmasal amuti mahor no. El atu de kakuk mo mulwa say mangarge el amuti. May say como correr sel powder los perngi makatukuk maran mo.
Hi, aquí por market tengah ma di betul lover nama Airi right there. This lady here and the camera lady. And we got rambutan and yedala Imran Marcos, Imran Lumil, Murta, Igal TL Ra, Igal Taniri, Lumil. Imran akan iyak lah kan isang, akan iyak lah. And so everybody's enjoying them right now, and we're all happy. Thank you.
Is it sweet, Auntie?
Sweet.
Really sweet?
Malungkap singay. Kamang tial kol ka lapas sa kamal bay bagi ko suamal ko rat tigibo. Ngara happy al makingat tial. Jangan kan. Restoran del hotel di ngani. Ati mer dom ana so chulti wandala magargel. Malabot tel ko mesaida. Malabot tel meral tog embral malam kota embal kota aral awan kira awan jangan maluan tial belum di fodala magargen kira masang hasil direct ke start tempora kira ini magar selesai mau diwai waktu itu kalau mau makan tunjuran omrola melmutul memsal sige dia tas komal musulam Berbay Berbong Bay
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
Một lần nữa.